How you going? I'm Troy from Haverton Homes, one of the construction supervisors, and today we're at one of our new Waterford designed 5-bedroom homes recently finished at Chisholm. Today we're going to talk to Des from Steel Line Garage Doors, and he's going to explain to us the importance of a quality garage door that will complement the facade of a wonderful home like this one behind us. How you going, Des?
Good, mate. Good yourself?
Not too bad.
It's good.
Just tell us about the roller door you've installed here at Pedaltart for us.
Yeah, what we put on here for you today is a flatline profile Colorbond Sectional Door, and it has a textured finish, and it just helps to complement your quality build.
Yep.
To match in with anything Colorbond you have on the external. Reason why a good quality garage door is needed, not just for the aesthetics of it, but it just helps to tie in with the whole complete build.
So tell us about the security of having a steel line roller door.
Yeah, well, the main factor is the motor unit itself. Once it drives down in the closed position, it locks into gear. So this makes it very hard to lift the door itself. And it's just preventative maintenance, and it keeps it lasting for years to come.
Tell us about the relationship between Steel Line and Haverton and why it works so well.
Just fine. The relationship that we have works really well. Because you're looking for a quality product, we get great communication from yourselves, from all your build supervisors to come out, do the measures, then do the prompt installations, and we back up our service if there's ever any issues through the build. And as you can see, it's so quiet.
Very quiet. We can have a conversation standing right here.
Absolutely, we could have a conversation and
smooth. So being here at this great build with a beautiful door like this must make Steel Line proud of their product and to see it showcased in such a great way.
Oh, absolutely. Like normally I never come out to a completed build. I'm always out there at that build stage, measuring, and the installers turn up. It ties in nicely with all the extra work she's got done on the facade, and quite proud of it.
Well, Des, thanks for coming out and telling us about Steel Line's garage doors.
No, all good, Troy. Thank you for the opportunity to come down and see this today, and look forward to seeing you on the next project.
Definitely a pleasure, will do.